morning, students. In today's class, we shall learn the concept vital statistics. First thing, we need to understand the meaning of the word vital and statistics. The word vital means which is essential or necessary. For example, in the rainy seasons, we know umbrella is a essential or a necessary thing. So that is known as vital. Whereas the word statistics means we will collect and we will analyze the data or information of any of the event, and we will record these information in a numerical form is known as statistics. When we club these two words vital and statistics, it means we will collect and we will analyze the information such as death, birth, marriage, and divorce, etc. of the human population is known as vital statistics. In simple meaning, when we collect the information with regard to vital events and we will record these information in a systematic way is known as vital statistics. There is a simple meaning about vital statistics. Vital statistics are the numerical records, analysis, and interpretation of numerical data of vital events occurring in human population. It is nothing but, as I told before, the vital events like birth, death, or marriage or divorce of a human population. All this information are collected and we will record in a numerical form. Later on, we will analyze and we will interpret these collected information is known as vital statistics. There is a definition given by B. Benjamin. He defines vital statistics are conventionally numerical records of marriages, births, sickness, and deaths by which the health and growth of a community may be studied. What he is saying, we will collect the information with regard to vital events such as births, marriages, sickness, or death of a human population. All this information, when we collect and when we record in a systematic way, which helps for the development of the health as well as growth of the community. The next concept is methods of vital statistics. There are two methods known as registration method and census enumeration method. The first method is registration method. Under this method, the vital events such as birth, death, marriage, divorce, etc. are continuously recorded. The government authorities known as Gram Panchayats, municipal corporation, municipalities, and other local authorities will maintain the records of vital events. For example, in case of birth, they will collect the information such as date of birth, name and address of the parents, caste, religion, nationality, gender. In case of death, they will collect the related information such as date of death, name, address, religion, nationality of a dead person, as well as the related person's information for the future aspects. Under registration method, all the information of vital events are collected and it is recorded, and the authorities will maintain the records and they will use the records whenever they want in the future process. The second method is census enumeration method. Under this method, Most of the countries conducts census at once in every 10 years, through which they collect information such as age, gender, religion, educational qualification, and occupation for vital statistics. By conducting census, the government will collect the detailed information of the citizen of the country for the future aspects. Thus, the vital statistics will make use two methods, that is registration method and census enumeration method, to collect the information of vital events for the preparation of vital statistics. When we compare both the method, the registration method and census enumeration method, here the registration method is very useful for the vital statistics, and census enumeration method is not a suitable method because it fails to provide the detailed information of the vital events. Hence, it collects the information of the citizen or the population of the country only when they conduct the census. So, we can say the registration method is a proper and appropriate method for the vital statistics than census enumeration method. Next concept is uses of vital statistics. There are list of uses of vital statistics for individual, for the government authorities. They are as follows. First, it is useful in planning and evaluation of economic and social developments of a. The government will conduct various activity for the development of the country. Whenever they want to conduct any of the activity, they will make use the information of population by using the vital statistics, which provide a detailed information of the population. Hence, they can plan as well as they can conduct the economic and social activity for the development of a country. Also, it is useful to government agencies for administrative purpose. It is useful to medical research as well. Whenever the government wants to conduct any of the medical survey or a research, they will make use the vital statistics, which gives the detailed information of the population of the country. It is useful to demographic research. So, demographic research is nothing but the detailed study of the population. Whenever the government wants to conduct the research of their population, they will make use the vital statistics, hence which provides the detailed information of the population. In this kind of research, they will collect the information such as age, gender, qualification, occupation, and the detailed information of their citizen. So, the vital statistics are very useful for the government in case of demographic research as well. Next, it is useful for individuals. Thus, it records the information with regard to their birth, marriage, and divorce, etc. during his or her lifetime. It is useful to government to assess the impact of family welfare program in the country. Whenever the government conducts any of the family welfare program for the development of the country, they will make use the vital statistics, which provide the detailed information of the population. Based on the information, they will conduct the various welfare program for the development of the country. So, in today's class, we learned about the concept vital statistics. What is vital statistics? The definition, methods of vital statistics, and uses of vital statistics. Thank you.